Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name's Sam and today we're diving into the world of trading and exploring an often discussed topic: contracts for difference, or CFDs. By the end of this video you'll have a clear understanding of what CFDs are, how they differ from other trading assets, and what makes CFD brokers unique. So make sure you stick around until the end of the video so you don't miss out on any important details. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section down below. Let's get started. First off, what exactly are CFDs? Well, a CFD is a contract between a buyer and a seller, where the buyer agrees to pay the seller the difference between the current value of an asset and its value at contract time. Essentially, CFDs allow traders to speculate on the price movements of various financial instruments without owning the underlying asset. Unlike traditional stock trading, where you buy and own shares of a company, CFDs offer flexibility. With CFDs, you can trade on margin, meaning you only need to put down a fraction of the total trade value, allowing for potentially higher returns. This leverage can amplify both profits and losses, so it is crucial to manage risk carefully. Moreover, CFDs provide the opportunity to profit from both rising and falling markets. In traditional trading, you can only make money when the asset value increases, but with CFDs you can capitalize on price movements in either direction. This opens up a world of trading possibilities, from stocks and commodities to currencies and cryptocurrencies. So what sets CFD brokers apart from the rest? Just like with FXGT.com, CFD brokers specialize in offering these unique trading instruments, providing traders with access to various markets and advanced trading tools. They also offer competitive pricing with tight spreads and low commissions. Additionally, reputable CFD brokers are regulated by financial authorities, ensuring transparency and investor protection. When selecting a CFD broker, it's essential to consider factors such as regulation, trading platform features, customer support, and fees. Look for brokers with a user-friendly platform, robust risk management tools, and educational resources to help you navigate the complexities of CFD trading successfully. In summary, CFDs are versatile financial instruments that allow traders to speculate on price movements without owning the underlying asset. They offer unique advantages such as leverage and the ability to profit from both rising and falling markets. However, it's crucial to understand the risks involved and choose a reputable CFD broker that aligns with your trading goals and preferences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Here are 2 more videos that you might enjoy. Happy trading, and until next time.